Hi, in this video I will show you how to unlock touchscreen on a WAHOO Elemnt ACE cycling computer. To unlock a touchscreen you need to open settings, and if you are on the other screen you need to press this page button a few times to open device settings screen, and there you need to go up and go down once again to the screen lock, and there press unlock, and this is how you unlock a touchscreen on your WAHOO Elemnt ACE. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.